This video is regarding how to deposit your USDT or Tether to your Poloniex to your GetIO account, because GetIO is now offering a many new Metaverse coin, and Metaverse coin have very good potential in futures. So if you buy early, you get more benefit. Okay, then GetIO is a cryptocurrency platform. Basically, it is still young, but it got already a high value exchanges. You can buy the large variety of USDT market, and could be a alternative for people who prefer trade with Tether rather than Bitcoin. On GetIO, you cannot buy crypto directly with your dollar or any fiat currency, but you can deposit Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency and GetIO, or you can trade it with other cryptocurrency. And here GetIO it is also good because it is very low fees and large variety of market and different cryptocurrency from which are tradable with the Tether. Okay, here you have to convert your USDT to Tether. Okay, and here it is a three chains are supported. One is Binance, other Ethereum, and last is Tron. So if you want to looking for new Metaverse coins or DeFi project or any launch coin, do a first launch here. After that, the coin come to other exchanges. Okay, so this is a very good exchange, GetIO. Here you need just a basic KYC. Okay, now this video I will tell you how to deposit your USDT Tether to GetIO without any charges by using your Binance chain, and after that you have other option like Tron chain, and last is Ethereum chain. Okay, please follow this video. I will tell you all the process step by step. To deposit USDT Tron or USDT ERC token, you need a GetIO address. So you get this address from your in your GetIO, go to the deposit section. But here you have to go in Poloniex is also enable the ERC based deposit and withdrawal. So you have to log in your Poloniex and navigate to the Poloniex deposit and withdrawal screen. Upon the arrival, locate USDT and click withdrawal. You will be prompted to enter a receiving address and select the network for withdrawal. For withdrawal address, go to the GetIO and copy address. If you select a USDT ERC20, add select ERC20 for withdrawal. Okay, for your fund. And if you enter a Tron address, then select the Tron address. And if you enter a USDT Binance chain, then please select a withdrawal for BEP20 for you withdraw your fund. Okay, please note that if you select ERC20 network for withdrawal and enter USDT Binance address, your fund might be not reach to your wallet, receiving wallet. Sending your USDT coin to your to an wrong address may result in loss of your withdrawal. Okay, then you have to look here. Here's the three options. Okay, first one is Tron chain, other is a Binance, and last is a Ethereum chain. Okay, please paste here this correct address from your GetIO, and please cross check 2 or 3 times. Here's also a scanning option for scanner bar. You can scan directly your preferred address and paste here. It will automatic paste here. Okay, then for your confirmation, for after each and every withdrawal, you will get a hash rate that you will found in your withdrawal. Please click on that hash rate. Okay, and navigate to the, if it is a ERC, then will you to the Celestial, and it will be if it is a Tether, then you will go to the directly to the TRC Explorer. Okay, after that wait for some time or confirmation. You will got your fund in your balance in your wallet. Okay, sorry, in your wallet. So please wait for some time. It will take some time for confirmation. So I will go back to Poloniex, and here's a hash rate address. I will copy and paste in Explorer to check whether it is confirmed or not, and how much time will take to credit in my GetIO wallet. Okay, so look here, it will take almost 140 confirmation. Now it's still only 96 is completed. Now again I am pasting here, search, look here, 140 confirmation is now complete. Now I'll go back to my Get.io. Here I will get $10 successfully credited to my Get.io USD Tether wallet. So this is very simple process you can do without any charges if you use a Tron chain, and you can easily trade your preferred coin. Is confirm your tether will be sent from your wallet onto the blockchain to be validated on the to the destination address. In the process, a transfer ID or hash will be made. To test this, copy your transfer ID and put into the search space and click the search button on the right side. Transfer information in blockchain will appear on the web page. After confirmation in blockchain, meet the requirement of your destination address, your coin will be sent to your destination address within 24 hours.